Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on GoTranscript. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for GoTranscript and then log in or sign up. If you don't have an account, just create an account and it will ask you just to input your name and last name and then input your email and your password, create a password, and that's it. And then all you need to do is start a test. You will have to listen for a voice. It just wants to test your listening skills, writing skills, and your accuracy. And then after you pass the test, all you need to do is start for searching for new orders inside your workspaces and everything, and then you will see your balance here. You can deposit money or withdraw money after you are accepted to work with GoTranscript. And then all you need to do is just try to ameliorate your listening skills, your writing skills, your accuracy. You need to be fast for delivery, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.